In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Serpentine dry belt on your Toyota Camry, located on the front side of the engine. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen this back alternator bolt. On the front side here, we have two 12mm bolts. There's this one right here, and there's one on the back side. We're going to loosen the back side one first. This one here is the tensioner for this, so as we loosen this here, we can go ahead and adjust the tension on this belt. You can use a power tool for this as well. Drop that down, and as you loosen it, you can see that the tension on the belt is getting more loose. When we get to the point where we can work that belt off, go ahead and slide that belt off, work it off of the AC compressor and the harmonic balancer down there, the lower crank pulley. Once you remove the old belt, match it up to the new one, make sure that the same amount of ribs and the same width, and you're ready to install. Go ahead and feed that belt down around the two lower pulleys. Once you get around those two lower pulleys, feed that over the alternator. I'm just going to loosen this a little bit more. Slide that belt on. Make sure you are fully on all of your pulleys. Very, very important. Now we want to go ahead and tighten this. We're going to switch over to our power tool. Now what you want to do is you want to get to the middle of this belt area here, and you want to move it back and forth. You want to have about a total of an inch play back and forth, so half inch in, half out. You don't want this to be too tight, as you can burn out the bearings in your alternator and cause damage to your AC compressor as well. That's good there. Once you have your tension set, let's go ahead and tighten down the back bolt here and the rearward horizontal bolt over here. Snug that down. I'm going to tighten down the rearward bolt. I want to make sure that that is good and tight as well. At this point here, you want to hop into the vehicle, start it up. Now if you happen to hear a belt squeal, come back out here. You want to loosen these up again and tighten this a little bit more, and then tighten everything back down. At that point there, you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.